Apex Legends is getting crossplay. As somebody who has been long trapped on an island when it comes to gaming, I was a PS3 guy before everyone started kind of getting on the PS3 bandwagon. And then I was a PS4 guy right up until I built a computer and isolated myself from my friends again. So as someone who's been in that situation perpetually unable to play with the majority of my friends, crossplay is incredibly important to me. I can't sit here and give you numbers and tell you that, if a game has crossplay, it's going to be, 15% more popular and it's going to make 20% more money. But I kind of intuitively, instinctively feel like it's got to make a difference. It's got to, you're increasing your player pool, and that's got to help. And you're also enabling people to play with their friends, which is like, even if it doesn't affect your bottom line and make your game more popular, like, you're a good person for doing it. I feel like it's a good thing to do, and it's a positive thing to do. So to me, crossplay, enabling crossplay is incredibly important. And anytime I see someone doing it, I want to just throw money at them. I love them a little bit more than I maybe did before, or if I didn't love them, maybe I can tolerate them now. In case of Apex, I'm more likely to play Apex now for sure, because now I can play with some friends that I couldn't play with before. So that brings me to my current, still somehow favorite game, Playerunknown's Battlegrounds. For a long time, we've had Pubg on console and Pubg on PC, and they are existing as their own separate entities. And I am here to tell you that I think that it is high time for that to end. Pubg just did the unthinkable, and it added bots to the lobbies. It says they say that they did this because the game was too difficult for new players and you needed something to ease people in. So here's some incredibly stupid bots that you can just freely shoot, and they'll just kind of stand there and let you do it. He's just sitting there shooting. The reality, of course, is that the game is hemorrhaging players and that you can't find a match. If you try and play solos or duos at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern time, you're going to be playing with like 70 bots. That, of course, is a suboptimal experience. What I would posit to you is that there are two easy ways to remedy this problem. One easy way, a second one, less easy but still doable. Way number one is to not have a whole bunch of maps. Do the Warzone / Fortnite thing and have one map that changes over time. By having a whole bunch of different maps, all you're doing is you're taking an increasingly smaller amount of people and you're splitting them over several different maps. The second thing is crossplay, and let's be honest, it just has to happen. I am not a console player for Pubg. I've never tried it. I probably never will. Why would I want to have this sick gaming rig? I don't think there's like any aim assist in Pubg on console. Maybe if there is, it seems pretty light in the footage I've seen, because people kind of potato aim a lot in the clips I've seen. I'm not trying to like shit on them. I'm just saying a joystick is worse than a mouse at aiming, so you need aim assist. Here's the thing though, we know that it can work because we've all played Warzone, and the console players with aim assist, like, people are debating on Reddit if aim assist is too strong on Warzone, because the console players are having an advantage because it like snaps onto you and lasers you. We know we can make this work. The only thing that's going to be a problem for console players is inventory management. And I mean, that's a slight problem. I mean, my ability to run across the body, tab, and quickly slide things into my inventory, they're not going to be able to keep up with that. Unless, maybe there's some sort of intelligent auto pickup thing that they can pull from the mobile version. We can totally get the aim thing sorted out. Frame rate and general performance would be a problem because, me running at 120 FPS and they're running at like, are they at 30 now? Have they made it to 30 FPS? If they haven't, bring the game to Xbox Series X and PS5, get the performance where it needs to be, and enable cross-play. One map, changes every season, cross-play enabled, no more bots, Never struggle to find a match. It's right there, guys. It's perfect. It's a simple solution. Blue Hole, who's now Pubg Corp, I think that's what happened. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts on if you think that's going to work, if it wouldn't work, why it wouldn't work, how you would fix PUBG. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Like, I'm begging you, okay? I'm trying to get to 1,000, and I'm right there. I only recently realized how close I was, and then I realized that I really wanted it. Like, did you ever not know that you wanted something until you realized that you almost had it, and then you were like, it's the only thing I've ever wanted? That's kind of where I am. So please subscribe, and until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.